Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, Lifelong English Learning Academy. In this video, you are going to practice your speaking, pronunciation, vocabulary and listening skills through real-life airport conversations. The first one is, how to check in at the airport. Conversation 1.
Hi, I'm here to check in for my flight to New York.
Sure, can I see your passport and ticket please?
Here you go.
Great, you're all set. Your gate is B1, and here is your boarding pass. Boarding will begin in an hour. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Conversation 2.
Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to Chicago, please.
Sure, can I see your passport and ticket please?
Here they are.
Great, and do you have any checked luggage?
Yes, I have one suitcase and a carry-on.
Alright, I'll need to weigh your suitcase and print your boarding pass. Here you go. Your gate is B15 and boarding starts in 45 minutes.
Thanks.
This one is about heavy baggage.
Excuse me, do you know where I can weigh my luggage?
Yes, the luggage scales are just over there. Is there a problem with your luggage?
I think it might be a bit too heavy.
Okay, well let's weigh it and find out. Which airline are you flying with?
I'm flying with Elevate Airlines.
Alright, weight limit of Elevate for checked baggage is 50 pounds per bag.
Oh no, it's over the limit. What can I do?
Well, you have a couple of options. You could either pay an excess baggage fee to Elevate, or you could remove some items from your bag and put them in your carry-on.
How much is the excess baggage fee?
For Elevate, it's usually around $50 for bags that weigh between 51 to 70 pounds.
Okay, I think I'll try to remove some items from my bag first. Thanks for your help.
This is the end of our video. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you.